Leonard, 1 star. Disgusting. What is disgusting? The beach? The water? People? Yogurt, 2 star. A woman was taken doggy style and a guy masturbated on it. Good people, 3 stars. What is good about 3 stars, huh? 1 star. Many naked people. Ooh, very scary. I wonder how this guy has sex. You're naked. Please get dressed. 5 stars. Pretty girls and good food. Smiley face. What do you want more? Where's this beach? Gotta save it. Volker, 2 stars. Like many other families with children, I came